Hey guys, if a recent Windows 11 update like KB5070311 is causing problems on your PC, crashes, slow performance, or errors, uninstalling it is quick and safe, and I will walk you through it step by step. First, press the Windows key and open Settings, then go to Windows Update. Inside Windows Update, click Update History, then scroll down and select Uninstall Updates. This will open a list of recently installed Windows updates. Look for KB5070311 in the list, and once you find it, click on it and select Uninstall. Confirm the action when prompted, and Windows will start removing the update from your system. This process may take a few minutes, so don't interrupt it or shut down your PC. Once the uninstall is complete, Windows will ask you to restart your PC, and this step is important, so go ahead and restart. After the reboot, your system will revert to the previous stable update, and the issues caused by KB5070311 should be gone. If Windows keeps reinstalling the update automatically, go back to Windows Update, pause updates temporarily, or use the Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter from Microsoft. Another way to uninstall it is using Command Prompt, which is useful if settings won't open. Press Windows R, type CMD, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to run Command Prompt as administrator. In the command window, type WUSA /uninstall per KB5070311 and press Enter. Confirm the uninstall when prompted, then wait for the process to finish. Restart your PC again to fully apply the changes, then after startup, check your system performance and confirm the update is no longer installed by going back to Update History. If everything is working fine, you can wait for Microsoft to release a fixed version of the update before installing it again. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.